Visa card. I went and bought groceries. I went and bought groceries with this card.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Hey, greetings, fella. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I'm not talking about making money online, generational wealth, business credit, and things of that nature. Today, I'm going to talk about the new credit. Welcome to crypto. Welcome to the digital age, family. So, if you haven't seen any of my videos on crypto.com, I'm going to show you something very, very interesting. And some reason that you may want to pay a little bit more attention to what's going on this side, all right? So let me start off by sharing this with you. There is a link to actually get $50 of free crypto, but I actually want to just give you some clarity on how this works, okay? So right now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on cards. If you're not familiar with crypto.com, it is a place where you can actually keep your cryptocurrencies from an app directly on your phone, okay? So you know how you have Cash App and then you can get Bitcoin with Cash App. So imagine that, but you can get more than just Bitcoin and store them there. You can keep your Ethereums and your CROs. You can get your USD, the USD digital coin, the Tether, the Chainlink, all of that. So I start making some more videos about crypto. Don't want to scare y'all off, but all right, here's some cards here, right? You say compare card tiers. So what I just want to show you all is you actually can get Visa cards. These are Visa debit cards, Visa cards that you can actually use. Matter of fact, let me see. Hold on. I'm gonna have to do a video showing y'all the packaging and everything. I ain't got it over here, but here go my card right here, family. Here go my card right here. This is actual crypto. Hold on. Y'all hear that? It's a crypto Visa card. All right, metal card right there. All right. So let's just go over some of these cards, and I'm gonna just do this real quick because I might have did a video about it already. But all right, you got a free one that you can get 1% back on all your purchases. Okay, so you can just go here, sign up, and get you a free one. Too easy. All right, or you can actually get this one that has 2% back and you get free Spotify. Or you get this one is 3% back and you get Spotify, Netflix, and it keeps going up. But I want to show y'all that in order to get this one that I actually got, I had to stake I believe 50 MCO, and at that time the 50 MCO was about $210. So right now, if you want to get the same card I got with the same benefits, I think that CRO. Let's look real quick. So right here on this calculator, it says 1,000 CROs is worth $164. All right, so that means to get this card, right, you will have to stake 1,000 CRO or $164.66. Now, what staking is pretty much, imagine like a CD account where you're putting $164 in, and then you're actually going to earn money back. For the money that you put in, a certain percentage back, okay? But check that. Matter of fact, I linked the last video where I showed and broke down how that stuff works with you all. But I want to talk about another aspect of that. So that's one way that actually you can earn by staking. So staking, like I say, think of it like a CD account or like an account where you're putting some money in and you're getting a percentage back, okay? That's one way. Another way is you can actually lend out your crypto to other people and earn money like that, all right? And then here, look at this. This is what I really wanted to show you all right here. Credit, okay? Let's go look at this real quick. Deposit crypto, get an instant loan, all right? Instant credit, ready to spend. No credit check required. No repayment deadline, okay? All right? Okay. Get the credit limit you want, not what you're given. Gain credit directly in your crypto wallet. Pay whenever you want. No statement deadlines. Deposit $10,000. Receive credit of $5,000 in packs, TS, USD, or USDC, or USDT. So pay attention now. Pay attention. I want you to go look up each and every one of these cryptos right here and see what they are. Go to coinmarketcap.com or do your research and the reason that these are very important and relevant in this time. So right here you can see CRO, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, all of these. Pay attention to all this stuff. Now go to coinmarketcap.com and do your research on all of these tokens, okay? And look at this: stake CRO and enjoy lower annual interest. So this is what I'm saying right here. When you're staking, okay, it's showing you, you know, how much percentage of the return that you should be getting. Okay, but you can look at all that information. All right, look at all that information. But where else can you go have, what's equivalent to $10,000 and receive 50% credit based on the amount of currency that you have? And look up here now. All right. Deposit credit, get an instant loan, instant credit, ready to spend, no credit check required, no repayment deadline. Okay, I'm just not seeing this note up here, not yet available in the United States. But look, just be on the lookout and keep tabs on this stuff, because this stuff is going to become more and more popular. These cards, the prices for these cards and these benefits and stuff, it will go up. Okay, because we're moving into a digital time and a digital space. This is a Visa card. I went and bought groceries. I went about groceries with this card, and I'll make another video showing you how to load it and all that. I just wanted to talk about the new credit. Is it not crazy? When did you think there will become a time where you can actually get credit in crypto? So I want to let you know this is a Visa card. Okay, you got this ain't even the only one right now. I'm just showing you one that's popping right now, and they're gonna be coming because Visa is looking for developers and stuff for that use Ethereum and all this kind of other stuff. Okay, look at what JP Morgan and all these other people are doing. You think when you go out and you see these signs that say coin shortage or no cash, no money, all this stuff is for a reason, y'all. It's not just what they're putting out to the forefront about what's going on. So pay attention. Okay, this is a legitimate. Okay, I did get my extra $50 after I staked. Those tokens to actually get this card, and that's going to be available, in a few months. And I actually got a bonus, some bonus coins for actually doing it when I did it. So, on top of that, so it is what it is. I'm not telling you to do this. All I'm saying is pay attention. Pay close attention to what's going on right now. A lot of you all familiar with Bitcoin and you're kind of scared of it or whatever. Just do your due diligence. I'm not telling you to invest or make your money or do anything you want to do. I mean, do whatever you want to do. I'm not telling you to do anything, okay? If you didn't know, the fiat money currency is really not backed by nothing. It's not really worth anything. So at the end of the day, if you want to go out and get you some commodity money such as gold and silver, platinum, palladium, I think this is a very, very wonderful and smart idea. But don't sleep on this digital age. We're already in the digital age. Most of your bank accounts are direct deposit. A lot of us are using Cash App, Venmo, PayPal. People even sending money through Facebook. So better believe the money has already been digital. It's already been ones and zeros inside of a computer. Now they're just doing things a little bit differently. So I just wanted to let y'all know to be on the lookout for this new credit. You talking about fintechs, financial technologies. Now we talking about actually being able to get credit with crypto. So very, very powerful stuff if you can foresee the future and the realm that we're in right now. So check out crypto.com. It's a link in the description. Do it if you choose to. Even if you just want to go look at it on your own and click on it somewhere else. But to get the $50, remember that you have to stake. All right, you have to stake a certain amount of CRO to get this card. And now I ain't gonna have to pay for Spotify. And not that I even use Spotify, but now I use it. Maybe I'll play my song on there a few times, give it some more spins. Anyway, family, I just wanted to make that quick video. Be on the lookout for the new credit, man. Crypto credit, fintechs, digital space. That's where we headed. That's where we at. That's where we at. Even on the personal and business side, it's gonna be dealing with more digital things than not. But hey, do what you got to do, with this economy. If you want to get gold and silver, I say do that. But now is the time to make your move, figure something out for you and yours. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the money?